are going to understand square root infinite series problems, how to solve them. So these kind of problems very often we are seeing in the aptitude exams or competitive exams. So when the problems has arrived in this way, how to solve them, let us see. Okay, so first I am showing you normal method and then I'll show you the trick how to solve them in a easy manner. Okay, now the problem here, the difference between these two problems are here under root 20 plus under root 20 plus under root 20 and so on infinite. Here these are in addition mode. Here they are in a multiplication mode. Okay, now let's see this. When the problem has given like this, we have to assume the given problem as x. So x is equal to under root 20 plus under root 20 plus under root 20 plus and so on infinite. Now square on both sides. Let's square them. This x becomes x square is equal to under root 20 plus under root 20 plus under root 20 plus and so on infinite here whole square. Okay, now here the square and root will get cancelled. Now let's see, x square is equal to 20 plus what is left under root 20 plus under root 20 plus and so on infinite. Now if you see here, this place can be written as, substitute it as x because we have assumed that value as x. Now let's do that. 20 plus x, here it will become x square. Now bring all of them one side. X square minus x, this 20, if you bring this it will become minus, so minus 20. Now this becomes an quadratic equation. Now let's find factors for this. Okay, x square, this 20 can be written as 4 multiplied by 5. Okay, so minus 5x plus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. As common, x into x minus 5 plus 4 take as common, x minus 5 is equal to 0. Take x minus 5 as common, then x plus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5, x is equal to minus 4. X cannot be negative, so positive. So the answer is x is equal to 5. So in this way we can find the answer normally, but using the trick how to find, now let us see. So you no need to write this all the steps, you can directly go for this step and then you can find the factors, then find the value. Okay, taking under root 12 plus under root 12 plus under root 12 plus and so on infinite. Let's take this problem. Now in this you no need to assume this x and all. What you will do is directly you write x square minus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, in this way you have to write and then solve this and get x value, and that will be your answer. Now let's find the factors for this. X square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. Take x as common, x minus 4. Take 3 as common, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now here what we have to take, x minus 4 as a common. Then x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 4, sorry, x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 3. Now x value cannot be negative, so answer will be x is equal to 4. In this way we can find easily these infinite series problems. Okay, now let us see one more method, that when the problem is having minus, okay, under root 20 minus, under root 20 minus, under root 20 minus and so on infinite. How to solve them, let us see. So assume the given problem as x. So x is equal to under root 20 minus under root 20 minus under root 20 and so on infinite. Now square on both sides. Let's square. X square is equal to under root 20 minus under root 20 minus under root 20 and so on infinite whole square. Okay. Now here square and root will get cancelled. X square is equal to 20 minus under root 20 minus under root 20 minus and so on infinite. Okay. Now this value is x. We have assumed over here. So 20 minus x here x square. Now transfer these values this side. So x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now find the factors for this. X square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. X plus 5. Here minus 4 take as common. X plus 5 is equal to 0. Now take x plus 5 as common. X minus 4 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to 4. X value cannot be negative, so the answer for this is x is equal to 4. Now in the exams you can write this step directly. Okay, so if it is plus over here, all the values will be here negative. Okay, if it is having minus over here, then this x value only will be positive, then this will be negative. Okay, so now suppose here, I hope this one is this problem you have, I hope this problem you have understood. Let's see one more time. Now let's have a quick recap. So given problem, consider as x and square on both sides. Square and root will get cancelled and the problem will be seen like this, and substitute this value with the x and then transfer these values this side and it will become a quadratic equation, and find the factors for this. Okay. Now if it is having plus over here, at that case what will happen, here you will get both minus. Here it will be minus, here also it will be minus. You need to keep this in your mind. Here it is minus, then at that case here it will be plus and here it will be minus all the time. If it is all the values here having plus, then here you will give having minus opposite. Okay, if it is having minus, then only the value having minus and this one having a plus. Okay, so that you have to keep in your mind when you are solving. Okay, now let's see when you are having when you are solving them in the aptitude exams, at that time you don't need to write these all the steps directly. You can write this step. And now let's see how to write that one by taking one more example. Under root 12 minus under root 12 minus under root 12 minus and so on infinite. Okay, now directly write the equation. X square, now here it is having minus, so here it will be plus x, then minus 12. The equation will be like this. Okay, when you are having plus over here, you have to write here also minus, only that the difference you need to remember. Okay, now let's find factors. X square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. Take x as common, x plus 4. Take minus 3 as common, x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now x plus 4 take as common, x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 4, x is equal to 3. So x cannot be negative, so the answer for this question is 3. In this way, any of the problems under square root infinite series, any of the problems you can find them very easily. In this way, we can find square root infinite problems very easily in seconds. Okay, let us see one more problem. So when the problem has given like this, write directly the equation x square, it is your plus, so you have to write minus x minus 11 is equal to 0. Now if you see here, this one you won't get factors normally, so you have to use the formula over here. So formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, let's take a, b, c values from this equation. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 11. Now let's substitute them. Minus of minus 1 plus or minus under root b square minus 1 square minus 4 into a value is 1 into c value is minus 11 by 2a. A is nothing but 1. Now minus into minus plus, 1 plus r minus 1 square 1 minus into minus plus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 11 is 44 by 2. Okay. Now 1 plus or minus now 1 plus or minus 45 by 2. Okay, in this way we have to find the factors. Now let us see the other method when they are in multiplication, how to solve them. Under root 20 into under root 20 into under root 20 and so on infinite. When the problem given like this, what to do? First I'll show you normal method, then I'll show you short method. The first method, how to do, let's assume the given problem as x. X is equal to under root 20 into under root 20 into under root 20 and so on infinite. Okay, now square on both sides. Okay, let's square them. X square is equal to under root 20 into under root 20 into under root 20 and so on infinite. Okay, now square it. Square and root will get a cancel. Now x square is equal to 20 into under root 20 into under root 20 and so on infinite. Now this value can be replaced by x because we assumed that value as a x. So x square is equal to 20 into x. Now 20 is equal to, bring this x this side, so x is, it will become divided. So x square by x, x under x will get cancelled, so x is equal to 20. So the value for this is 20. So in this way, any of the problem has given, so directly you can write the answer as the given number. So if it is given here 12 into under root 12 into under root 12, the answer will be 12. If here it's given with 16, under root 16 into under root 16 into under root 16 and so on infinite, the answer will be 16. So in this way we can find the answer. Okay.